Hello students, in previous video we have learned the terms used in division and that are dividend, that is the number to be divided, number जिसको हमें divide करना होता है, that is dividend. Then divisor, that is the number which divides the dividend, जो dividend को divide करता है number, that is called divisor. And the result is called the quotient. So these three new terms or terms we have learned, and I hope you remember it. And we have started the worksheet number 5 and we have done the few questions. So let us revise what we have learned yesterday. In first question we have to complete the table. Here we have to write the find the quotient first, and then we have to write the dividend, divisor and quotient. So up to D part we have already done. Let us revise what we have learned yesterday. So 50 is our dividend because we have to divide this number. So this is dividend, dividend is 50 and we have to divide 50 by 5. So dividend को जिस number से divide करते हैं, that is divisor. So here divisor is 5. Now we have to recite the table of 5 till 50. 5 tens are 50, you know. And the result is called the quotient. So here quotient is 10. And then here again our dividend is 27 because we have to divide 27 और 27 को किससे डिवाइड करना है, 3 से. So जिससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं डिविडेंड को, that is called divisor. So 3 is our divisor and the result is, so first of all recite the table of 3 till 27. So you know that 3 nines are 27. So 9 is the result and result is called the quotient. So here the quotient is 9. And in next question we have to dividend divisor is given and we have to find the quotient and then write the division fact. So up to C part we have already done. So I have given you these 3 parts as homework or assignment. So let us check them. So here dividend is 72. That means we have to divide 72 and divisor is 9. So 72 divided by 9. So we have to recite the table of 9 till 72. So recite the table of 9. So we know 9 8s are 72. So 8 is the result and you can say 8 is the quotient. Now the division fact. So 72. First of all we will write the dividend, then the symbol of division, then the divisor, and result is 8. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. This is the division fact. Next one is dividend is 81, divisor is 9. So we have to divide 81 by 9. So recite the table of 9. So 9 nines are 81. We know 9 nines are 81. So quotient is 9. Now the division fact. So first of all we have to write the dividend, then the symbol of division, then divisor. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 9s are 81. Here again dividend is given, divisor is given. So dividend divided by divisor. Now you have to recite the table of 5 till 45. So you know 5 nines are 45. So this is the result or quotient. So in this way you can find out the division facts. Now today we will learn how to divide the number by log division method. So let us take example, long division method. long division method. So here till now we have divide by reciting the multiplication table. Suppose 56 divided by 7. This is the example. Now how we have learned how to divide it? We have to recite the table of 7 till 56. So we know 7 8s are 56. This is our quotient. So this is the result. But let us do the same division by another method known as long division method. So we have to arrange this 56 divided by 7 like this. In long division method, what we have to do? See here, what we have to do? We have to draw like this. कैसे draw करना है? ऐसे and like this. Now here we have 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 things. 56 divided by 7. Question is 56 divided by 7. So we have to write divisor here. We have to write divisor here and dividend here. We have to write dividend. Now what is the divisor here? The divisor is 7 and dividend is 56. So in this way we have to write, and then in the same way we have to recite the table of divisor till dividend. So 7 8s are 56. So we have to write the quotient here. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. We have to write 7 8s are 56 and then subtract it. इसको subtract करेंगे. So these are some steps. ये हमको बार बार जब हम questions करेंगे तो हमको ये आ जाएगी. But the thing is, इनकी positions को आप देखिए. यहाँ पर divisor हमने कहाँ लिखना है, dividend हमने कहाँ लिखना है, and quotient हमने कहाँ लिखना है. Here we have to write the quotient. Now then 7 8s are 56. हमें डिवाइजर का टेबल रिसाइट करना है जब तक हमारे पास डिविडेंड तक. तो जैसे हम ऊपर भी कर रहे थे सिंपल मेथड में. So 7 8s are 56. Now we have to subtract. So 56, what is left here is 0 and 0. So जो नीचे लास्ट में बचता है that is called the remainder. You know, remaining means बचा हुआ. So remainder is जो भी चीज बचती है नीचे, that is called the remainder. So here our remainder is 0. This is the new term. So now we have learned one more new term. So 3 terms we have already learned: divisor, dividend and quotient. Now the new term is remainder. जो last में बचता है that is called remainder. So let us do some more questions based on this long division method. So we will start with worksheet number 6. Here question number 1. Complete the following question using the long division method. You can see here the question is already given in the form. ये आपको पहले से ही दिया हुआ है किस तरह से आपको करना है. Only the thing is you have to divide. So first question is 6 divided by 42. This is A part. Now here the divisor is जो इसके बाहर होता है that is divisor, जो अंदर होता है that is called dividend. So we have to recite the table of divisor till dividend. So हमें recite करना है 6 का टेबल कहाँ तक, 42 तक. So we know that 6 7s 42. So अब हम क्वोशंट कहाँ लिखेंगे? आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू क्वोशंट हमने कहाँ लिखना है, ऊपर. तो 6 7s 42, and then we have to write here what is our next step. In the next step we have to subtract. So subtract it, what is left is 0. So this is our remainder. Now the B part. 32 divided by 4. So what is the divisor and what is dividend here? Here divisor is 4 and dividend is 32. So हमें किसका टेबल रिसाइड करना है? 4 का टेबल. 4 का टेबल कहाँ तक डिसाइड करना है? 32 तक. 4 के टेबल में 32 कहाँ आता है? So 4 8s 32. आप टेबल रिसाइड करेंगे. 4 8s 32. We have to write the quotient here. 4 8s 32. Now what is our next step? We have to subtract. So what is left over here is 0 0. That is the remainder. Now the C part. This is the question given. 21 divided by 7. 7 is divisor and 21 is dividend. Now we have to recite the table of 7. 7 का टेबल कहाँ तक रिसाइड करेंगे हम? 21 तक. So 7 3s 21. So we will write the quotient here above. So 7 3s 21. And what is our next step? We have to subtract. What is left is 0 0. That is the remainder. D part. 3 9. So now here what is the divisor? Divisor is 3 and dividend is 9. So किसका टेबल हम रिसाइड करेंगे? टेबल ऑफ 3. 3 का टेबल हम 9 तक रिसाइड करेंगे. That means 3 के टेबल में 9 कहाँ आता है? So 3 3s 9. So we will write the quotient here. 3 3s 9. Now what is our next step? Subtract it. So 0. This is the remainder. In this way you can divide by long division method. So here we have done the D part till the D part. So try to do the remaining parts of question number 1, that is E, F, G and H, 4 parts of question number 1. So we will do the question number 2 in our next video. Thank you.